Hi, Michael from Invariant here, and welcome to the tutorial on creating a custom delineator in RapidPlan and saving it to your device list. For this tutorial, I will edit an existing delineator and make some adjustments to it. You can use any of the primitive tools here to create your own delineator object from scratch. To begin, I will add a single delineator to my canvas area and adjust the size so that it'll be easier to edit. I'm wanting to work with a tubular delineator, so I will change that over here in the devices list in the properties palette. For my custom delineator, I want to attach some chevron signs to the device, as it'll help guide traffic along the taper approaching my work zone. I can add some chevron signs to my delineator from the signs palette here. Then I'll just place them directly on top of each other to bring together my new delineator. To form the custom delineator, we first need to make sure all items are grouped together as one object. To do this, simply left-click, hold and drag over all the objects you wish to group. Then right-click and select Group Objects. Now that it is grouped as one whole object, you can right-click, Save as Delineator. This will display a dialog box prompting you to specify a name for it. I'll name this delineator Tubular with Sign. Once saved, it will then be added to your list of delineator devices, so let's give it a try. When a delineator is added, I can then select my new delineator in the Custom section of the device list and add it directly to my plan. Thanks for watching this RapidPlan tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button below to stay updated on new content at Invariant.